Today, the Corona Lake has been frozen. All the water freeze, and the birds are standing on the icy lake. Fawn come to feed the birds today. You see, all the birds are eating the bird food. They are lovely. All these birds are the seagulls and the ducks. But today, there's no water on the lake. The whole lake has been frozen.
Hello, Happy New Year.
上個湖激勵病啊嘛。
係，去流運得啦。
啊。
蟲路。
頭先啲鴨袋都唔需要衰啦。鴨袋都企喺我呢碌上邊。This Ian Stephen. Film this video in New York, USA. Today is December the 31st of 2010, and tomorrow will be the New Year 2011. Thank you. You come to watch my video. Thanks a lot.